Hello friends, my name is Sandeep Marathe and today's date is 26 Feb 2024 and today's topic is operators in Java. At first Java provides many types of operator which can be used according to their needs, and they are classified based on the their functionality, and they provide the functionality, and they and so now we can talk about what is operators. Okay, so basically operator in Java is a symbol used for performing some specific operations in the Java language. Or we can also say that every language has different operators. With different operators, you cannot write any program, or you cannot run any program. Okay, so they look easy. They look easy thoughts, and the implementation of the task quite complex. Okay, so there are some types of operators. So we discuss one by one. So the first types of operator is arithmetic operator. The second is unary operator. The third is assignment operator. The fourth is relational operator. Fifth is logical operator. Sixth is ternary operator. Then seven is bitwise operator. Then shift operator. There's instance of operator. So we discuss one by one. So first we discuss about what is arithmetic operator. So the arithmetic operator that they use to perform the simple arithmetic operations on the primitive data types. At last video we discussed about what is primitive and non-primitive data type. Okay, so basically they perform arithmetic. In arithmetic operator there is multiplication, division, module, subtraction. This all are performing in the arithmetic operator. If we give the example, that means int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. So when we use the plus operator, this is the arithmetic operator. Okay. So the next is unary operator. So unary operator needs only one operand, and they are used to increment and decrement of the negative value. So there are also two types in unary operator. Unary minus and the unary plus. So we discuss one by one. So first is unary minus. So in unary minus used for to negative the value, and unary plus value is used for to provide the positive value. Okay. So the next is plus increment operator. They are used for the increment. They use for the increment the value by 1. Then the next is post increment. So in this post increment, value is first used to computing the result, and then they are incremented. The next is pre increment. So in pre increment, value are increment first, and then the result is computed. Okay. Then the next is decrement operator. In decrement operator, they are decreased by one value. Okay. So there are also two types of decrements: post decrement and pre decrement. So that are the two types of decrement operator. So the next is logical not operator. So logical not operator is they are converting in the Boolean value. Okay. Then the next is assignment operator. So assignment operator is used for assign the value to any variables, left side to right side. Okay. Then the next is compound statement. So now we can discuss about compound statement. So for example, we take a is equal to a plus 5, and we can write it a plus 5. Okay. Then the next is relational operator. In relational operator there are some types. So the first they check the relational like which is greater than or which is less than. Okay. So this is the relational operator. Some relational operators are there are some relational operators. This is equal to, then the next is not equal to, then the next is less than, then the next is greater than, then the next is the less than equal to, then the next is greater than equal to. That all type are using in the operator. So the next is logical operator. So in logical operator there are two types: logical and or logical not. Logical and, logical or logical no. So logical OR. Okay, these are the two types of logical operators. Uh, they are their functions are their function is very similar, and the AND operator and the gate or gate is digital electronics. Okay. uh, so I hope this is complete. Okay, thank you friends.